Hey traders, just want to give you a very quick heads up on natural gas, gold, and crude oil. Before I start my analysis, if you are getting value out of my videos and if you are learning something out of my analysis, please do not forget to hit a like and subscribe button for me as I upload daily analysis for you guys so that we all can trade efficiently. And also, guys, if you're interested how I mark these zones here, and if you also want to learn the entry pattern, the way I take my trades personally, so all you need to do is just join one of my partner brokers. Links are in the description. If you're already with my partner brokers, all you need to do is just email them and just give them my link and just ask them to put you under my IB. So that's all you need to do. With that, you receive a weekly forex report with all these zones marked for you already, and from these zones you can take your trades accordingly as sell trades from resistance and buy trades from support, and between that we'll take pullback trades, and I'll keep you guys updated as well. So with that being said, let's start our analysis with natural gas here first. So same as yesterday, the market is still in between the zones, is still indecisive, but the thing is we are at the minor level of support, and as you can see, the market used this support level as a resistance right here, as a support recently right here. So this is a minor level of support. It's not a major support, but as you can see, the market is not breaking below that. And looking at this engulfing candle, I still expect the market to push up from this zone and hit at least 4.792. Obviously, if it breaks below this gray zone, breaks and close with the bearish candle, then we can expect some good bearish move from natural gas, and it can go up to 4.300, which is not likely at the moment. So keep an eye on both zones. So let's quickly check gold. What a trade we get on gold. As you can see, we took this trade right here, and the market is still moving down and didn't stop us out at break even, and I'm still managing my position at gold. I was about to exit my position right here, but I didn't get any sort of a bullish move. That's why I just left my trade open, and it's still moving down. I'm going to manage my position accordingly, and I'm gonna keep on moving my stop loss, and I'll keep my position run until I get some sort of bullish pressure or the market reaches the major level of support. As I said yesterday, if the market break this level, then we can expect more bearish moves, and if we have a break below this zone, then we can expect some more bearish move from gold. And as you can see, the market break below this level without giving us any sort of entry reason from this level, so means the market is going to move down as well. Let's see how far it can go. Okay, so right here, I'm on a daily time frame. If you see, the market has used this level as a level of support right here recently, and if you look back here, it's a level of resistance. The market act as a level of support and resistance in the past, and if you see, as a level of support here, as a resistance here. So this level is a major level of support from where I'm expecting a good bounce. So at the moment, let's go back on a 4-hour time frame. At the moment, I let my position run up to 1907, and this level is to 1895. So once we reach this zone, I will look for a bounce as an engulfer or a double bottom move from here back up, whatever the ATR is telling us at that time. So gold is still bearish. We can still expect the market to hit 1907. Let's check crude oil. All right, perfect. So now crude oil is approaching a major level of support, which is right here. This is a weekly level as well as daily level of support. I'm expecting crude oil to hit at least 91 and goes down to 90. So from where I will look for engulfer or a double bottom trade, or we can see a market move down, come back up, give us a pin bar, and we can enter our trade few pips above the pin bar, take long trades from this zone. As you can see, this level has acted as a support right here, as a resistance right here, and if you look back in past, let me show you on a daily time frame right here. If you see, this level acted as support, resistance. So this is a major level to take over trades from, and it qualifies as a trading zone. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. And if you want to learn all about trading and become less reliable on signal services, you can join one of my partner broker. And once you join it, I will start sending you the weekly forex report where I'll send you these zones so that you can take a counter trades once the market reaches that major level of support or resistance. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.